Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to create QR codes and you can use that codes anywhere. So just wait and keep watching our video till end. So let's begin this video. So we are gonna create these QR codes in Google spreadsheet. So to create QR codes we need a function which is image function. As there isn't any specific function for the QR codes, but we can still use the image function. So we will start adding our function which is image. This function is little bit lengthy, so don't worry, I will put this function in my description so you can just simply copy from there. So let's see our other arguments we need to add here. As you can see, we have 5 arguments here. First one is root URL, which is gonna create QR code for us. So we will copy this root URL and simply paste here. After that, we will copy the second argument. And we'll paste here. So after that we will add here ampersand and we'll copy the third argument. And paste here. So as here we need to add the height and width. So you can add height and width here as you want. So I will add here 500 by 500. So after this we will copy the fourth one. Again we'll put here ampersand and we'll paste fourth one. Now we will copy the last one and we'll paste here. So here instead of data we will add our data which we wanna create a QR code. So I will remove this data and will add here the cell which having our data. So after that hit the enter and here we go. So as you can see the QR code has been created. So from here you can simply drag down and create the QR codes for others as well. You can also transfer this data to other formats like Microsoft Excel, PDF document and many others. So for that you need to click on file, go to download and you can choose from here any one you want. So I will choose the PDF. So from here you can select the current sheet or selected cells, whatever you want. I will select the selected cells and export. So as you can see our PDF file is ready. So now let me show you to scan these QR codes. So I will scan the first one which is for the YouTube. Now let's scan the other one which is second one. So I hope you will find this video useful. If you really like this video, please consider subscribing our channel so you can get the latest videos. So see you guys in next videos. Bye bye.